On behalf of Biani's group of colleges, I welcome you to the Biani's Placement Cell. Biani's mission is women empowerment through technical education, and without placements, the empowerment is not possible, and it is a fact that placements are the soul of any professional educational setup. We have well-equipped placement cell which provides employment to the Biani students. In the year 2008-2009, we had companies like IBM, Wipro, Genpact, UTI, Reliance, Anand Rathi Securities, Angel Broking, India Bulls, Activin Solutions, Keys Solutions, Crestic Technologies on the campus for placements. This year also, we have companies like NIT, IBM, Ernst & Young, Wipro already on the campus, and we aim for 100% placements this year. Placement Cell works for enhancing the skills of the students, and for the same purpose, we have regular training through personality enhancement programs, as well as we have tied up with Professional Training Institute, GTT, for training our students, as well as for placement assistance. Placement Cell has also tied up with organizations like Infosys and Genpact for training and placements, and our students are being regularly placed in these organizations. Another unique initiative of the Biani's Placement Cell this year has been the Corporate Traineeship Program, under which our second and third year students are working with the corporate houses post-college hours every day. The Placement Cell provides complete assistance for the Corporate Traineeship Program as well as for Summer Internship Program. Every year, we bring out the placement brochure, which includes the student's profile and college details, which is sent across to all the top national level companies as well as multinational companies. The Placement Cell works to get the best of the companies on the campus, aiming at 100% placements for our students within the city as well as in metros. Also, if the students want placements in their native towns, then support is provided to get them placed as per their priority. So welcome to the Biani group of colleges and to the Biani's Placement Cell. So I welcome you to the Biani's group of colleges and to the Biani's Placement Cell.